Hi, my name is Cameron. I'm 21 and I have my own car detailing business. I'm coming to you today with an idea that I've had. Having spent countless hours on TikTok scrolling and kind of getting bored of the content on TikTok in terms of detailing, it's all roughly the same kind of thing. I've came to you today with an idea that I've had of a podcast that I want to start, where I invite on well-known influencers, celebrities, and people in the industry. I'm going to kind of teach them how to detail their car, and whilst they kind of talk back to me about how they became who they are, where they started out, and how they got to where they are today. I'm coming to you today to ask for some support on how to start a podcast, how to reach out to these kind of people, as I have very little experience, but I'm willing to take any advice from you guys. Thank you.